Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is MEKNEX and today we are going on natural hair products shopping. And the reason for this is because my hair has been breaking a lot lately, and most of my subscribers have requested that I buy a sulfate free shampoo, and because there's no time for DIY, I would have opted for a DIY treatment, but I'm so busy, my head is not even thinking that direction right now. So we are going to get some natural hair products. So these are the lined up products and I'm going to be making choices from them. I have no product in particular in mind. I've used Miracle Living and it's such a nice product, but I don't intend buying it. I'm just going to buy one for someone, but that's not what I'm going to buy. And I think this T3 deep conditioner, I'm going to get one for myself. And this, I think this is a carrot deep conditioner or something, but I don't think I like it. I'm just going to go around and shop for natural hair products. So I ended up buying one product, this KU products, and I think I want to do this and use I just want to start using one company, one brand, and see how well it goes, so I know what I put into my hair that is causing the breakage. So maybe when I use just one product, like one brand, it's going to save me the stress of looking for what is causing my breakage. So I got the shampoo and the leave-in conditioner. I got their leave-in conditioner hair mist, and I got their normal conditioner, and I also got this deep conditioner, but this is not their brand, but I know it's also tea tree and it's going to do. Alright guys, stay tuned for more videos. Bye.